Okay, so YouTube has kind of changed the rules a little bit on how to embed a video. And what they've done is they've taken off the XHTML code, which is what we need. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to go generate it to post it up on the board. So here we go. Here's this cute little video Walt made of a jag that yawns. And so we're over here on YouTube. The very first thing we want to do is click share right there. You get this code right here. And we want to copy that code. Copy. Now, we're going to go over to an XHTML code generator. And we're going to paste that code in. Don't worry if you don't know what this is. I'm going to put the link to this in the bottom in the comments in the YouTube video and also on the message where I'm posting it. Okay, so we got that put in there. Now, if you want to put in the width and the height, you can. Really, it doesn't do any good. I just put it in like that because we're interested in code only, and we can put the height and the width in other places. Okay, so here it is. This is the whole code. But what we want is right here on this third line, param name, movie, and then value, and just in between the quotes. That's all we want. We don't want the quotes. We just want in between the quotes. And we want to copy that. So now we go over to our handy dandy little post here, and we're going to title it that old babe jag yawns on Q. Okay. So now we're going to click the little flash button, and you can see it starts out with http:// We already have the / in our copy code, but in case you want to scroll up, select up to the front to check, it must say http:// www.youtube.com, etc., etc., etc. But that first part right there must be in there just like that. And that's how you do that. Okay, click okie dokie. You'll see it says Flash 320. That's the size it is. That's kind of a prefab size. So let's preview it, and we get our little cute little YouTube. And it plays in the message. In line is what they call that, technically. So here's a little message, and it's playing, and it looks great. Okay. Say we want to change the size of it. And we don't want to make it too big because then the admins get a headache and they get high blood pressure and cats and dogs start sleeping together and it's the end of the world, as we know. So we don't want to do that. So be judicious about the size you want to make it. I go over here, share embed. And this is the size right here that really I'd like to have. And that's 560 by 315 right there is where it is. So all we have to do is go back in here and put 560 and 315. 315. And then let's go down here and preview again, and it should come up a little bit bigger. And there it is. Like that. And that's a pretty good size for a message, for what you want to do is you want to keep this in proportion of what your video is. So you have to work out, if you want to make it larger, you have to work out what the proportion is. I'm not going to do the math because that stuff makes my head explode. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, make a comment on there, and I'll try to explain more. Okay.